Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the best AI tools that can make you rich in 2023. But before we dive into that, please do me a favor and smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop a nice comment below. I really appreciate your support. Greetings, fellow creatives. Today I'm excited to share a game-changing discovery that will transform your image generation experience. Have you ever encountered the frustrating message from Midjourney, denying a free trial? This pushed me on a quest to discover the perfect alternative. Enter Leonardo AI, an ever-evolving platform that's set to redefine the image generation landscape. Allow me to introduce you to the dynamic universe of Leonardo AI. This platform is a dynamic force, consistently updating and growing at an astonishing pace. It's already posed to challenge Midjourney's dominance. And guess what? In this website, you owns all the rights of your pictures. Yes, right. From this percent-free website, you create pictures that all rights belong to you forever. Now you might be wondering, how do you gain access to this realm of creative possibilities? The process is straightforward. Begin by visiting the Leonardo AI website and clicking on Create an Account. Within a day, an invitation to Leonardo AI will grace your inbox. But here's a secret shortcut. You don't need to wait for the invitation. By revisiting the Leonardo AI website, you can launch the app immediately. You're now whitelisted. Upon entering the Leonardo AI universe, you'll notice a significant advantage. It's a web app, freeing you from the confines of needing a Discord account. This convenience alone sets it apart from Midjourney. Additionally, Leonardo AI grants you 50 tokens daily, enabling the generation of up to 150 images. The possibilities are truly boundless. As you explore the platform, you'll come across exceptional works by fellow users, a testament to Leonardo AI's prowess in creating high-quality images. One feature I particularly love is the ability to click on any image and view the prompt that led to its creation. The built-in algorithm also makes background removal a breeze, ensuring a seamless experience, which is a gold opportunity to earn money for some products like stickers. I'll make a short video for that you can start earning money straight away. Now let's create. This is where the magic truly unfolds. Navigating to the AI image generation section, you'll discover a plethora of prompts and models at your disposal. Much like Midjourney's versions, Leonardo AI provides an array of models, including community-generated models that add a unique flavor. But the journey doesn't stop there. Leonardo AI introduces the concept of a negative prompt, a feature that sets it apart. As you explore further, you'll unearth tabs for both image and prompt generation, taking your creative potential to new heights. The guidance scale is a revelation, allowing you to fine-tune the alignment between your image and prompt. Tiling is another gem, a boon for texture enthusiasts. Image-to-image prompts and tiling ensure that your canvas of creation knows no boundaries. Now, let's explore the exciting realm of transforming creativity into profit, money. Leonardo AI not only facilitates image generation, but also opens doors to new opportunities. Imagine crafting captivating patterns that you can sell easily on Etsy. Many people just earn money by selling digital patterns on Etsy. Easy, right? But that's not all. Say hello to Printify. This revolutionary platform allows you to create physical products while they manage everything from creation to delivery. Your creative journey with AI has only started. And on this channel, we are going to help you to earn money easy using AI. All right, my awesome viewers, before we wrap things up, I have one request for you. I want you to become a part of this incredible community and do this journey with us. Hit that subscribe button right now, and by subscribing, you'll unlock a world of exclusive content, insider tips, and mind-blowing strategies. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the action. So, what are you waiting for? Join us on this wild adventure, hit that subscribe button, and let's conquer YouTube together!